This is a short demonstration of the function which allows you to round figures. Okay, I've got a little example here to illustrate where what I've got is I've got 12 items. Say this was gold jewellery that is being sold for scrap. The price of gold per kilogram is listed on the spreadsheet, and then for a formula has been used, which I'll just click on the cell to show you that formula, which has worked out how much the cost of each item would be. Because the price, it's given in price per kilograms, but the actual item would be in grams, you can see that it's created a value that has more than 2 decimal places to it. So here, obviously, for something that costs 3 grams, we're looking at a price of 3.37615. If we rounded that, it should come out to £3.38. However, a lot of people make the assumption that what you can do is you can format a cell and that would automatically round things. Well, it, for all intents and purposes, looks as if it does, but it wouldn't. If we went on to use those figures in subsequent calculations, we could end up with a problem. So this shows you the difference between formatting and rounding. So just to give you a quick demo of how formatting would work, you would normally highlight a section of cells that you want. A lot of people use this shortcut tool at the top, where you can just say we want to convert this into pounds and pence, and on the screen it looks as if they have actually it has been rounded to the correct value. However, the numbers behind it would still remain as they were, as in 3.37. So if I just undo that to show you, that would still be there, held in the memory of the spreadsheet. If we did want to properly round these, we have to use a function which is called equals round, and I'll just show you how that's used. So we just click in equals to say that we're actually going to do a formula. The word is just the word round. We open the brackets, and you can see that the spreadsheet is asking us for 2 things. What it wants is it wants us to give it the number that we want to be rounded, and then how many digits do we want to round it to. So if we were working in pounds and pence, we'd say we want 2 decimal places, close the bracket, and then that would also produce the 3.38. And then if I want to continue that for all of the formulas, I would just copy that down. And that gives us a very subtle difference between the two, and you can see the difference here is we haven't got the currency formatting in there, but actually those figures that's being produced would be more precise than